What's up, guys? Running break number 251 for Jeaner. It's a 2-box baseball mixer. We've got 15 spots. We're going to go 3 times on the names, and then 3 times on the AL, and 3 times on the NL. So each spot is going to get an AL team and an NL team. So I'm going to copy the list. Scroll down, post live in the thread. We're live at 9:12. It is 9:13, just changed. We're going to head over to random.org. We're going to put our names in here. And we're going to go 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 9:13. It is 9:13. There we go. 5th and final. Good luck to everyone. Copy that timestamp. Post it over. It was posted at 9:13. It is 9:13. Now we're going to do the NL. We're going to go 5 times as well. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp. Post it over. This was at 9:14. It is 9:14. Back over for the 5th and final. Copy that timestamp. Post it over. It was posted at 9:14. It is 9:14, and we are going to finally do the AL. Head over to random.org. We've got our teams here. We're going 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp. It was posted at 9:14. It is 9:14. There we go. 5th and final. Good luck to everyone. Copy this timestamp. Post it over. It was posted at 9:14. It is 9:14. There we go. Thanks, guys. I'll get these posted over so you can figure out which teams you have. If you pause the video, you'll be able to see, but I'll get it over to Jeaner so it's in a nice format. Good luck, everyone, in the break.